If you want to learn the new way of earning money on YouTube, I will be teaching you the new ways of making money from YouTube on this series. I will be posting each series every Friday. So if you are watching this is the first video of the series about new way of earning money on YouTube. If you ask popular YouTubers about how to get started on YouTube, most of the time they will tell you keep working hard and I am sure you will succeed. Yes, that is right. But working hard is not enough and your time will be wasted if you don't have proper knowledge on how to grow your YouTube channel. That is why I am here to teach you how to get started on YouTube using these easy 6 steps. Before we continue, shout out to Akekaka TV or Blajo. I wish you all the best in your journey. I really do appreciate your support. I will be doing a random shout out on my videos. So if you want to get mentioned in my next video, drop a comment now. So the first step is choose a niche. Define your goal by choosing a perfect niche before you do anything. It is important that you consider what you are hoping to get out of YouTube. This will help you decide the kind of videos you want to create and define the right audience for your channel. Many people already know what their niche will be when making a decision of starting a YouTube channel because they will want to focus on something they usually do. I am now telling you, doing YouTube like the way other YouTubers does is not the ideal way of making money on YouTube anymore. The so-called niche channel is the newest and fastest way of making money on YouTube today. If you don't understand what niche channel is, niche channel are channel that simply have voiceover in the background of the videos they didn't even make. I am aware of that because I am currently running 2 different niche channel which is now earning a reasonable money without showing my face and without making my own videos. This is one example on how much I am earning on my niche channel. If you want to learn how I used to grow my niche channel in a short period of time, keep updated to this video series because I will teach you step by step on how to do it. The next video is choosing a perfect niche to earn money on YouTube. So comment below the type of niche you are focusing on. Then I will include it in my next video. Second step is choose your name. Do not overthink your channel's name. You may use any fancy name, even if it is not related to your content. It is not the name of your channel that define your success. It is only the content you are making that will define your success. The third step is create a channel. If you have a brilliant channel name, now it is the time to create a channel. To create a YouTube channel, you will need a Google account. You can either use an existing account or create a new one. It is important to do a little bit of housekeeping before you start promoting your new channel page. After all, you want to make sure you make a good first impression. Here are a few things you should focus on. Channel icon. Your channel icon is basically your YouTube profile picture. This image automatically pulled in from your Google account. If you don't know how to make a logo, there are a few bunch of free websites for PC and application from Google phone that actually make a logo for you within a few clicks. For example, this is Artful website. Choose what type of content you are doing. Click next. Choose a style of your logo. This is very fast. I can actually do this under 1 minute. Then add your channel name. Click next. You are done. Channel art. You can help your channel stand out from the crowd by customizing your channel art. YouTube provide a great walkthrough for this process to complete, with dimensions on how your artwork will be displayed across the device, including mobile phones, laptops, and television. Be mindful when choosing your channel art. I suggest using a simple design or an image that represents your YouTube channel, because it gets cropped to a very small portion or larger image. Keep in mind that you must have the right to use any image you choose. Lastly, go check out what the image look like on other devices to make sure everything looks good. Your channel art will appear differently depending on what device your subscriber are viewing it on. About section. The about section is an opportunity for you to tell people who you are, what you do, where to find you, and how to get in touch. Be sure to link all of your other social networks here so that people can follow you on multiple channels. Also include a business email for the advertisement opportunity. Fourth step is customize your channel setting. I have a video tutorial about a perfect YouTube settings that will help you reach more viewers. If you want to learn about it, I will leave the link on the description below. Last step is upload a video. Uploading a single video won't make you rich. The proper way of uploading a video on a niche channel is to make at least 30 videos. Why 30 videos? Based on my experience, my niche channel started to get attention on average of 30 videos. Firstly, I did 10 videos. Then I scheduled a 2 times a week to be posted in public. Then making another 20 videos during the process. Some YouTubers publish videos once or twice a week and they let their viewers know about their schedule, usually at the end of the video, so the viewers will know when to check back. This will give a channel a bigger chance of getting views steadily. Once you figure out the schedule that work for you, stick to it. You should be improving and getting more attention in no time. If you are done with those 5 steps on how to get started on YouTube, congratulations, you have unlocked the next stage. Choosing a perfect niche is my next video. I will show you the top highest CPM niche to start with and earn more money than the normal YouTube channel. I can't wait to show you the next video in this series. Now you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button under. Thanks for watching this video. See you on our next video.